Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to connect monday.com to n8n. This is useful if you want to create automations between monday.com and other apps using the n8n platform. Before we begin, make sure you have accounts for both monday.com and n8n. You will need access to both platforms. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up for each. Once you have both accounts ready, the next step is to get your monday.com API token. This token is needed to allow n8n to access your monday.com data securely. Start by logging in to your monday.com account. Once you are on the main dashboard, go to the top right corner of the screen. There, click on your profile icon. This might show your initials or your profile photo. From the menu that appears, select the option called Administration. This will open the admin panel where you can manage different settings for your account and your workspace. Inside the administration panel, look at the left-hand side menu. Scroll through the list and find the option called Connections. Click on it. Now in the Connections section, look for the Personal API option. Click on that. Here, you will see an option to generate a new token. If you do not already have a token, click the button to create one. After a moment, a token will appear. This is your monday.com API token. Copy this token and keep it safe. You will need it when setting up the connection in n8n. Now switch over to your n8n account. Open your workflow editor. This is where you will create a new automation using monday.com. Click on Add Node or the plus icon to bring up the list of available services. In the search bar, type Monday and select the monday.com node from the list. Once you have added the node to your workflow canvas, click on it to open its settings. You will now see a field for credentials. Click on the drop-down and choose Create New. This will open the credentials setup window. In this window, you can name your credential anything you like. Then, in the field for the API token, paste the monday.com token you copied earlier. Once the token is in place, click on Save Credentials Test. If everything is working, the test will pass. This means n8n is now connected to your monday.com account. Click Save to confirm and close the setup. That's it. You have now connected monday.com to n8n using your personal API token. You can now continue building your automation workflows with monday.com as one of the connected services. This opens up many possibilities like creating tasks, reading boards, and syncing data across tools.